Hey guys, what's up? Troy from Teenage Adventures. Back with another unboxing. I've been waiting for something like this for a while. Finally ordered it, got one in today. It's a gimbal, but this one's called the Vimble 2. So make recording our videos and everything a lot better, more steady. Once we start getting in recording for the trucks, we're still working on getting these ready. Alex's is ready. I'm still working on a light kit for mine, and we want to get out and get our track and stuff done, but we're going to hopefully get out there and do some videos soon. But this right here will make it a lot better once we do get our videos going. So I'm going to open this up, show you what it's got, and we'll go from there. Got this off of Amazon, $99. And it has pretty good reviews. I went on YouTube and did it. They had 3 or 4 of these they reviewed, and this has pretty good reviews on it. I guess the only downfall in this one a little bit maybe is the app that for face recognition and whatnot. I'm not real sure, but all right. So let's see what we got inside this thing. Nice, real nice carrying case. That's pretty impressive. So let's open her up. So first things off, there's what it comes with. Strapped in real nice. It's got a zippered pouch up top to hold other accessories. USB charging cord. Just a standard cord goes into the Vimble, and then that goes into a cube or whatever to charge it. That looks like different adapters to go to different makes and models of cell phones. There you go. Got those. One end's going to go into the Vimble, and because I guess you can charge the phone from the Vimble battery as you're using it, but that takes battery away from the Vimble. From what I hear, it's about a 5-hour. That's the only one of the downfalls. It's only a 5-hour charge for this, but I mean, for what we're using it for RC trail crawling and stuff, should be plenty. Warranty card. And 2 sets of directions. English is the one we need, so that's what's going to be there. Nothing else in there. Let's see what's in this. Comes with a tripod. Kind of nice little tripod. It'll go on any standard tripod, big, small, the grip ones, whatever, in case you want to set it up and do that. This is probably going to be a handle cord. Let me see. I'm guessing. Yep. Cord, put around your wrist. It's adjustable. Push the button in, pull it, make it tight. You guys know all that. There's that. And here's the Vimble. So you're going to hold it like this. It's got a trigger back here. And you're going to hold it like this. This button here is going to be so you can, when you're in a static mode, I think you can move it around and move it without doing all this. You can actually move that thing. I'll get into more of that later, but there it is. So yep, I'll go over some of the features here next and let you know what it is. But it feels real heavy. Not heavy, but it feels substantial. It doesn't feel cheap. It seems like it's made real well. It's got a little rubberized grip right here. So yeah, I like it. Looks good. This will make our videos a lot better for sure. But so there we go. Vimble 2. So next we're going to get into operating it and letting you know. But this one here, I just want to do an unboxing. So this is the unboxing video, and then we'll get into the aspects of it next. So thanks a lot. All right, so here's the Vimble. I'm going to go over a couple options. I'm no expert, but I'm going to try and give you some good tips on it. So as you can see, the phone's in. Have to take it out of the case here, okay? It won't fit with the case, but it'll fit with, this is an iPhone 8 Plus. Fits perfect without the case on it, like it's made for it. When you put it in here, you want to put your home button down towards this rubber thing. That's how it goes. So there's that. It's off right now, so I'm going to turn it on. It'll self-center and everything. Push and hold. And you'll hear the beep. So now you're good. So the Vimble's working. Everything works. The first mode is if it's blinking once, one blue. That mode is the, let me check here guys, I don't want to tell you the wrong thing. One blue flash is a pan mode, and the pan mode actually is the rolling and tilting direction are fixed, and the smartphone moves according to your hand movement. So however you move your hand, it's going to move. So that's like that. If I turn this, it's going to turn the phone the way I turn it, okay? If I go like this, if I turn this, it's going to turn the phone also, okay? So then that goes there. Follow mode, if you push it, it's going to blink twice. It's going to be a solid mode, okay? So the orientation of the phone's fixed, so it doesn't matter how I turn, see how it's not moving. However, my wrist doesn't have any effect on the phone, but I move like this, it does. Tilt it. If I go like this, it's going to stay fixed straight. It's not panning like it was before. So to get everything back set, you just take this button here, click it twice, it resets it back to where you want it. So there's that. We'll go back to the blinking once mode. So now when I turn this, that turns. So I want to get it back orientated. There, it's going to go back. You can also use this right here. This can move this phone anywhere you want it. Left, right, it'll pan it. It'll go up and down. So there's that. Now, when you turn your phone on, you download the app, you just scan it on the card here. iOS version, Android, whichever you got, scan it, download it. It's Vimble, I'm not sure, I think that's it. So Bluetooth, you want to connect it, it's connected. So now you're not using your phone app, you're actually using the app that's on your phone that you downloaded. So this one here, you can, as you can see here, let's get on the Jeep there, but the zoom, it zooms for you, comes back out, which is really cool. Manual, you can set different things, and all this works with this the zoom button here on the side. ISO, you can change your ISO settings, which is neat, which is kind of neat. White balance, exposure, I keep it on that so I can zoom in and out. See how it just moved? I double click this trigger in the back, it resets it all to 0. There's different modes. You hit the camera right here, it'll be selfie mode. Hey guys, what's up? So there's a selfie mode. There's Alex in the background. There's that. It's got a follow mode and an object mode. I'm not real sure on that, guys. You're gonna have to mess with that. That's the only thing I heard, that this might not work great with it. I don't really know. One thing that's a pretty cool thing here is it's actually got a telescope. So that's a real cool feature. This is the only one supposedly on the market that telescopes. So you can stand up and you can put this down and you can record real low scenes. I mean, look at that. I mean, that's awesome. And then you can pan stuff. It's just a weird angle for me right now, but then you can come up, put it down. It works real good for selfies. Hit this button right here. There we go. Look. Hey, wave, Alex. Hey.
What's up?
That's sweet, right? So, all in all, guys, I mean, this is pretty cool. Like I said, it's doing everything I want it to do. It's going to make for some real cool videos. It's one of the cheaper ones on the market with all the gadgetry you can get. Video, you want to do a video, just hit the record button, hold it in. I'm recording, okay? Recording everything right there. It'll record. Press and hold it again. It just stopped and saved it. So I mean, everything's right here at your fingertips. USB connection right here on the side. What else do we got here? The zoom, power on and off. You know the trigger here for the joystick. Everything moves. Basically, once you get it, play with it. The directions are pretty good. They tell you a lot of stuff. There's other things for setting speed and stuff for follow, I think. You can actually do time lapse on this and everything, and it'll follow stuff. And you can set a pattern, supposedly. I don't know about that, but look into it, play with it. You can't hurt it, really. So, like I said, it's Vimble 2. Yeah, I mean, there's not much more I can say about it. So, I like it. we'll see how it does with the videos. I think it's going to do really good. But yeah, check it out on Amazon, 99 bucks, and that should be about it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this product. So check out the Vimble 2.